So I'm going to press the info button, go down to navigation version, map version 12-13 years, DVD-ROM, back. So that's how old is the disc, which is inside here. So it's down there. I wrote that DVD. It's not too clean already. I think I scratched it a little bit. It says please insert map DVD-ROM. So let's do that. It's on the right side. Now you might see something. So it is on the right side. Please insert map to the right with the shiny part down. Slide the knob to the left to close. Now it says loading and it's ready.